Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store updates stuck on pending. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. After doing this step, find out a Windows Store. Now here is a Windows Store app, click on run it. Click next to continue. And close it. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box, type a store. Click on these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down, click on repair. After that, click on reset. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a WS reset. After I close it, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After opening that, copy the command from video description and go to your edit and paste it and press enter. After completing that, type exit and exit the administrator PowerShell, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.